Multifunctional integrated sheet metal processing center with a stable and robust heavy-duty industrial bed. Five spindles with multiple angles 045, 90 to meet various processing needs. The 90 spindle supports multiple tool changes to meet even more processing requirements. Touchscreen operating system supports importing process drawings and multi-language switching. American Laser Probe automatically identifies the sheet metal position for higher processing accuracy. Moving crossbeam, partitioned work table, and independently controlled cylinders ensure worry-free processing of small parts. Dozens of working models including Lamino, 45 angled handles, door lock grooves, horn-shaped handles, and straight handles. Lamino machining with seamless 90 connection. Horn-shaped handle machining.